Good evening, everyone. I'm Mohan Raj from the Department of AIM, Rajalakshmi Engineering College. So my first project is car price prediction. In this project, I imported the libraries and then load the data and do some analysis like uh, which car brand has most type of car, and then I just clean the data like filling the NA values, and I plot the relationship between the fuel and price and with all other feature and the price. So this got me a good idea about how the price increases or decreases with respect to the feature, and then I just fit it in my linear regression ML model.
This is my second project, called prediction, based around the cutoff mark and the community and the desired group they want to join. I just downloaded the previous year data from TNEA website, and then I done some pre-processing, and I did also plotting for analysis purpose. Then I just plot the distribution of the marks, and then I encoded every values in the column and the row, and then I applied the cosine similarity to find the best similarity between the user input and available data, and we also implemented it on a website. So when we enter the marks and which community and which branch we were about to join, we just use submit. It will give me the predicted college or recommended college for me based on my cutoff and the community under the desired group I want to join. Thank you. Third project is tourism recommendation system based on the user preferences, in which we handle the 6 GB of data set, which contain all the businesses like hotels, groceries in the US. We pre-process the data into a 2 GB of file, which only contains the information about the hotels and the restaurants, and we also have the another file for reviews of the hotels and the restaurant. So we pre-process and fill all the null values and categorize the hotels and the restaurants based like it is Chinese or whether it is based on American culture, other things, and we also implemented it on a server for you better user experience. We also implemented filtering techniques like collaborative filtering and content-based filtering uh, between the users to improve the recommendation quality. Yes, thank you. Since my previous project is fully based on pre-processing and the processing of a large data set, I also did some small projects for analysis of the data set. One of them is credit card fraud detection, in which we predict the fraud based on the input details like street, category, and amount and gender. So I just described the data, which involves finding the minimum, maximum mean standard deviation in the interquartile ranges, and I plotted the correlation between the features, which helps me understanding the data very well. And I just uh, plotted the bar plot for gender male and female and gender involved for fraud, and in whichever fraud credit card fraud most occurs. From this we can see last 2 hours of the day credit card fraud mostly occurs, and category of transaction, and I did some other pre-processing like filling NA values, and finally I just fit it into my logistic regression model, which gives me an accuracy of 84%. Thank you. My another small project is genre classification, which classifies the genre of a movie based on the storyline of the movie. I plotted the bar plot between the genres, and I did some pre-processing like removing unwanted words like Gmail links from the data storyline, and then I also plot the distribution of the length. From this we can understand most of the story lengths are between 0 and 1000 words, and I also plot the top appearing bigram words, which is helpful for me to understand the word occurring order, and I convert the target into a numerical value, and then I fitted the target into my SVC, which is support vector classifier, and I just done some predictions, which is about accuracy of 85 percentage. And my another small project is movie recommendation, like movie recommendation filtering, like democratic filtering and content based filtering, and both involves most of the NLP concepts and the same pre-processing step as the previous project, but I also included the formula for democratic filtering and I vectorized them based on the TF-ID vectorize. Yeah, that's it.